My name is Yara and I'm a software engineer at Google Play. A touch target is any UI element that can be clicked or touched, such as a button or a checkbox. Touch targets should be large enough for any user to reliably interact with. A touch target extends beyond the visual bounds of the element. In this example, the icon size is 24 by 24 dp, but the full touch target is composed of the icon in addition to its padding, giving us a touch target size of 48 by 48 dp. Material Design recommends a touch target size of 48 by 48 dp for Android apps. This is equivalent to a physical size of about 9 mm, regardless of screen size. When implementing a clickable or touchable element in your app, consider using the recommended touch target size or larger. Separate adjacent touch targets by 8 dp or more to ensure usability and balanced information density. Now, why is this important? Using an appropriate touch target size is important to the user experience of a wide audience, including but not limited to users with mobility impairments, such as hand tremors, users with large fingers, users with low vision, and users in situational disabilities, such as accessing the device with one hand or on a shaky bus. Check out our previous video, What Can Make or Break Someone's User Experience, for an example of the effect of touch target size on users with mobility impairment. Let's take a look at how to implement the correct touch target size. An element has a large enough touch target size if both of the following conditions are satisfied. First, the sum of the values of the left padding, the min width, and the right padding is greater than or equal to 48 dp. And second, the sum of the values of the top padding, the min height, and the bottom padding is greater than or equal to 48 dp. Alternatively, it is possible to retain the view's original size while expanding its touchable area by using a touchdelegate, which allows the touchable view's parent layout to handle touch events on its behalf. For more details, check out the Android developer docs linked in the description. Consider using the accessibility scanner for Android to detect small touch targets and other accessibility issues in your app during development. Note that the accessibility scanner detects the use of touchdelegate only in Android 10 and later. On earlier Android versions, touch target size issues may incorrectly appear when this API is used. For a wide test coverage, the pre-launch report can help identify accessibility issues in your app across a wide range of devices before reaching real users. Learn more about the pre-launch report in our previous video, What is PLR and how can it help to create accessible apps? To find a list of touch target size issues, select the Accessibility tab in the Pre-launch Report Details page. This tab displays unique accessibility issues across the app, grouped into 4 categories, including touch target size. Clicking on a screenshot cluster shows more details on each issue with device specifications, element path, recommendation on how to fix the issue, and the number of different places the issue is occurring. You can use this information to identify all elements which do not have the required touch target size and fix them. You can re-trigger a new run of pre-launch report by uploading a fresh APK after fixing the issues and confirming that the findings do not reappear. Finally, please remember that automated accessibility testing is meant to complement and not replace usability testing by real users with a variety of accessibility needs. For more tips on creating accessible apps, don't forget to check out the full playlist. Thanks for watching!